Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I just wanted to show you guys what we're doing. You guys are used to me doing things in my kitchen. Every so often, I'll show the kitchen. And so we have a countertop right here, and that's usually right here is where I'll stand and do something. Not always showing the kitchen. Well, we're going to give this kitchen a facelift. We didn't realize that there were a lot of things that these builders, the ones who made the previous kitchen, they did a lot of things that just weren't the way that we're supposed to do it. We have like a bar area over here. We were told originally that this big pole was some kind of a support beam. We were told that this thing right here was a support beam and had to stay. Now we have a guy who knows what he's doing, and he's going to remove that. I have always hated that thing. It just gets in the way. We have the trash cans right here, and one is for recycle and one is for regular. Anyway, we have to remove everything out of these cabinets. They're empty. That was a job. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I do have a lot of cabinets, but so we're going to change everything white. We're going to leave my backsplash. We're trying to save some money. I'm going to leave this. This is my little island. I'm going to leave it the same color it is, dark brown. And it's going to match with my beams up here on top. They're dark brown, and I do have dark brown throughout the house. It is said that the fashion for these kitchens is that the island is a different color than the cabinetry. That's what they're doing these days. And so we're just going to go ahead and leave that. It's less work for and cheaper for us. So we're going to change all the cabinets to white. It's going to be a white kitchen. So I'll show you guys. This is the before. I'll show you guys the after when it happens. Okay, look at this. This is the morning of the renovation. Well, it's a facelift that we're actually giving. Cleared everything out. Everything right now is everywhere in my living room. We got a lot of stuff. Okay, we'll be back with a new kitchen. And here we are. This is what's going on. They took off all the cabinet doors. And do you remember where that big post was? It's gone. It's gonna look great. This is all the equipment that belongs to the workers. But look at this. Everything is white. Okay, this is all the primer, and I can't tell you how badly it smells in here. It's very, very strong, the primer. Anyway, it's getting there. Look at that. It's gonna really just look so much bigger. Nice. So this is the new kitchen. We refaced the kitchen. It's not a total remodel, just a reface, a facelift to the kitchen. So I'll bring you guys in closer and I'll show you all the details. Okay, I'm gonna start off on this side, on the other side of the island. We only have 2 bar stools. Eventually we'll get some more. So everything's painted white right here. This is our little bar area, and there's the microwave. We got new handles, little handles right here. I like the dark with the white. Okay. So basically what we did was just painted everything, and we got new doors. So it's a reface, not a remodel. We left the old backsplash. I don't think it looks too bad. If we had changed the backsplash as well as the countertops and the floor, if we had done it that way, it would have cost a lot more money. So right here. See that? We just changed everything white. It looks so much bigger and just clean. Now we had this huge pole that went down right here before. We had some leftover tile from when we made the kitchen. We had some leftover tile, so we were able to blend that. And that post is gone, and it just makes everything look so much bigger. Like anything, there are things that we kind of say, didn't end up, couldn't fix that from the... Sometimes you get good work, sometimes you don't. And the guys who did the kitchen the first time, they did some things that weren't necessarily the way we would have liked them. But I think it looks great. I'm pleased. I'm very happy. The island is a different color. That is kind of a fashion. That's the way they do it. They leave the island a different color. I like it myself. I think it looks good. So there's my new kitchen. I'm glad I could share it with you guys. Thank you so much for coming around every so often to visit me. So this is my new kitchen. Bye.